English to Pashto short sentences. He is my fast friend. هغه زما جګري ملګری دی. He is my fast friend. She has blue eyes. د هغې اودې سترګې دي. She has blue eyes. Clean it. دا پاک کا. Clean it. Right now. وس بدې سات. Right now. Believe me. پما یقین وکا. Believe me. Tell me everything. ما ته هر څه ووایه. Tell me everything. What did you eat? تا څه وخوړل. What did you eat? Chew food properly. په خوراک ښه شخوند وهه. Chew food properly. Give me 2 minutes. ما له 2 منټه را. Give me 2 minutes. Then we will play. نو بیا به مونږ لبې کوو. Then we will play. Don't be lazy. ناراس مه جوړېږه. Don't be lazy. Or don't be lazy. لټ مه جوړېږه. Why are you silent? ته ولې غلی یې. Why are you silent? How did it hurt? دا څنګه خوږ شوې. How did it hurt? Keep your head straight. خپل سر سیده کا. Keep your head straight. What do you want? ته څه غواړې. What do you want? I want water. زه اوبه غواړم. I want water. Drink water. اوبه وڅښه. Drink water. I can decide myself. زه په خپله فیصله کولی شم. I can decide myself. Comb your hair. ویښته دې منګس کا. Comb your hair. Your introduction. ستا تعارف. Your introduction. Don't drink cold water. یخې اوبه مه څښه. Don't drink cold water. Remind me tomorrow. سبا ما ته یاد کا. Remind me tomorrow. Hold my finger. زما ګوته ونیسه. Hold my finger. Hold my hand. زما لاس ونیسه. Hold my hand. What are you eating? ته څه خورې. What are you eating? I am eating ice cream. زه آیس کریم خورم. I'm eating ice cream. What do you mean? ستا څه مطلب دی. What do you mean? Mend yourself. ځان سم کا. Mend yourself. Get ready. تیار شه. Get ready. Get ready for school. د سکول دپاره تیار شه. Get ready for school. Finish your food. خپل خوراک ختم کا. Finish your food. Finish your food quickly. خپل خوراک زر ختم کا. Finish your food quickly. Don't drag your feet. خپې مه راکاږه. Don't drag your feet. Don't make excuses. بانی مکوا. Don't make excuses. I'm playing. زه لوبې کوم. I'm playing. Don't play in cold. په یخ کې لوبې مکوا. Don't play in cold. What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? I want a shirt. زه یو شرط غواړم. I want a shirt. یعنی زه یو کمیز غواړم. Let's go out. ځئ چې بهر ته ځو. Let's go out. No, some other time. نه بیا چرته. No, some other time. As far as I know. څومره چې ما ته پته ده. As far as I know. As far as I think. څومره چې ما ته ښکاري. As far as I think. Switch on the fan. پنکه ولګوه. Switch on the fan. Switch up the fan. پنکه بند کا. Switch off the fan. Turn the fan up. پنکه تیزه کا. Turn the fan up. Turn the fan down. پنکه په قلار کا. Turn the fan down. The fan is noisy. پنکه شور کوي. The fan is noisy. The fan is shaky. پنکه خوځي. The fan is shaky. Keep the fan on. پنکه لګېدلې پرېږده. Keep the fan on. This fan is useless. دا پنکه بیکاره ده. This fan is useless. Call me. ما ته فون وکا. Call me. Anytime. هر وخت. Anytime. Who will pay? پیسې به څوک ورکوي. Who will pay? I will pay today. زه به نن پیسې ورکوم. I will pay today. Where is my watch? زما ګړۍ کوم ځای ده. Where is my watch? Here is your watch. دا د ستا ګړۍ. Here is your watch. Don't stretch the matter. مسله اوږدوه ما. Don't stretch the matter. I'm getting late. په ما ناوخته کیږي. I'm getting late. Come and see. راشه او وګوره. Come and see. Go and see. لاړ شه او وګوره. Go and see. It is too much. دا ډېر زیات دی. It is too much. You did well. تا ښه وکړو. You did well. His stomach is upset. د هغه هیټه خرابه ده. His stomach is upset. He has a headache. د هغه په سر درد دی. He has a headache. Stay here. دلته ودرېږه. Stay here. Stay there. هغلته ودرېږه. Stay there. Stand there. هغلته ودرېږه. Stand there. stand here دلته ودرېږه stand here don't favor on me په ما ملازه مه کوه don't favor on me in my opinion زما په خیال in my opinion move out of my way زما د مخې نه اخوا شئ move out of my way take it easy په قلاره take it easy don't tell me ما ته مه وایه don't tell me tell me all this دا ټول ما ته ووایه tell me all this don't tell me all this ما ته دا ټول مه وایه don't tell me all this د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ thanks for watching